Hello and welcome everyone to Tax Solution. Today we are going to have a practical demonstration on media preparation and sterilization. What is culture medium? A culture medium is a food material in the form of liquid or gel to support the growth of microorganisms in vitro. In order to identify a microorganisms and its cause of infection along with characteristics and properties with biological product, we need to grow these microorganisms outside the body. Now, there are two common culture media for bacterial growth. The one is nutrient broth and the other is nutrient agar. Now let us go through the procedure on how to prepare nutrient broth and nutrient agar. So today we will be making a total of 100 ml nutrient agar and nutrient broth. Most of the ingredients are same for nutrient agar and nutrient broth, that is peptone 0.5 gram, beef extract 0.3 gram, sodium chloride 0.5 gram, distilled water 100 ml. And for nutrient agar we need an extra ingredient, that is agar which we need 2 to 3%. That is in 100 ml we need to have 2 to 3 gram of agar to solidify the nutrient medium. At first, let us take two 250 ml conical, one for nutrient broth and the other for nutrient agar. Next we have a 100 ml measuring cylinder for measuring the distilled water during the preparation of the media. Now, let us measure 100 ml distilled water in our measuring cylinder. We need to touch the lower meniscus of the measuring cylinder. See, we have already touched the lower meniscus, that is, this is the exact 100 ml according to our measuring cylinder. Now, in case of nutrient broth, we don't pour 100 ml distilled water at once. Instead, we pour half, that means at least 50 ml to the conical vessel. The rest 50 ml will pour after weighing the chemical constituents required for our nutrient broth. Now this is an electronic balance which is need to measure or weigh the chemical constituents or ingredients that we need to make the nutrient broth and nutrient agar. So at first we need to tare it after putting the butter paper over it. At first we will be measuring 0.5 gram of peptone. Now we will measure 0.3 gram of beef extract. Now after tearing the balance, we are going to weigh agar for our nutrient agar medium. Now generally, we can take 2 to 3% of agar. Here, we are taking 2%, that is in 100 ml, we will be using 2 gram of agar. After weighing, now we are adding our ingredients at first to the nutrient broth media. After adding the beef extract and the peptone to the media, we need to shake it slowly in order to mix it with the distilled water. Now we will adjust the volume of nutrient broth to 100 ml. By pouring the rest of the 50 ml, we kept it to the measuring cylinder. Now we will be adding our ingredients, the nutrient agar medium, and mixing it well to the distilled water. Now both our nutrient broth and agar media are ready for sterilization. But before sterilization, we need to have cotton plugging over the conical vessels. Cotton pluggings are used to stop air movement that may carry the microbes. They are used to prevent the contamination through the air. Cotton plugging required a non-absorbent cotton which should be rolled tightly to fit the mouth of the conical vessel or the flask or tube, whatever you are using. See the procedure how we are rolling it and putting it over the conical vessel. It should be tight enough so that it can prevent the passing of air through the conical vessels. Now we are wrapping our media so that it can be properly sterilized. Now we are moving on to our sterilization process. Now the instrument which we require for sterilizing our media is known as autoclave. Now what is autoclave? An autoclave is a piece of equipment or instrument used for sterilizing. Sterilizing means destruction or elimination of all forms of life, including the microbes and spores. The process associated with achieving the sterile conditions are cleaning, decontamination, inspection, preparation and packaging, sterilization, storage and delivery of materials. In our microbiological lab, to prevent contamination, we need to autoclave every materials such as media, test tube, pipettes, petri dish, needles, tube, container in order to use them. The process of sterilization in autoclave is known as moist heat sterilization. The materials in autoclave are sterilized with high temperature and high pressure. At first, the water is heated in a closed container. Saturated steam is produced under pressure. Now, according to Boyle's law, when the volume of a steam is kept constant, the temperature is directly proportional to the pressure. That is, if the pressure rises, the temperature rises, and if the pressure lowers, the temperature too lowers. Now, moist heat sterilization means to coagulate the cell proteins of microorganisms and thus kills all the life forms, including the spore. Now, to achieve that moist heat sterilization, we need minimum 121 degrees Celsius, which is achieved only when our pressure is 15 lbs. Now let us observe the mechanism of autoclave. At first, we are opening the autoclave. Now we are putting our nutrient media inside the autoclave. Now close the lid of the autoclave. Make sure that the lid of an autoclave is properly closed tightly. The rising of pressure could be observed over here. After closing the autoclave lid, we are now going to switch on the autoclave. Now you can see the temperature over there, which is now 29 degrees centigrade. Now in our next video, we are going to continue our further operation of autoclave. Along with that, we are also going to have all the bacterial culture techniques. So if you like our video, do subscribe to our channel and please give your feedback to our comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.